We can disable crawling of WordPress site by search engines for reasons such as site under development, temporary content, or legal or compliance reasons. So let's see how to do it. Once we log into Namecheap account, we need to click the profile name in the top bar, and again click the dashboard from this menu. Next, we need to click Hosting List in the left side of the dashboard. And here, we need to click this button to enter cPanel Settings page. In cPanel Settings page, we need to click WordPress Manager under the Softwares section, which will bring us to this WordPress Management page. Here, we can find all the WordPress sites added in cPanel. Here, we need to select the site in which we want to disable search engine visibility. And in this page, you can see we have a couple of settings which can be enabled and disabled. To disable the site from being crawled by search engine, we need to disable search engine visibility option. The changes made here has been saved. Now this site won't be crawled by search engine robots. And again, to display the site in search engines, we need to enable this radio button and done. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.